Hello, buddy. Welcome to a new home.
I beg your pardon, darling. I cannot help but do.
Buddy, come here.
The very thing you asked me to quit doing.
It's
I
just
blame
you and me again.
you. When I first shut my eyelids, what happened during the day? Even if it was a drag, I can't be blue. I blame you. So when I pull you close in the middle of the night, it's just because you make